Hey, it's Mike and today I'd like to talk about Polar Power Inc. This stock trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol POLA. This stock was down almost 7% down to $12.96. Looks like it had a pretty bad day. However, if you do go over the past 5 days, you see this is a stock that has popped pretty hard on January 15th. It moved up from 8 all the way up to 14. So what we're seeing here is that this stock is just going to get some short-term selling, and it needs just to establish a comfortable base before it gets up and keeps moving. However, I do think this is a great dip buying opportunity. This stock is following a rule that I generally have, that if a stock is above the 50-day moving average, and the 50 days above the 200-day moving average, and the stock falls by more than 5% in 10 or less trading days, that's a good dip buying opportunity. So I just wanted to show you why I think Polar Power is going to be a really good stock moving forward. So the company is involved in creating sort of these low-cost energy solutions for a number of different industries, from the marine industry to the military industry to auxiliary power. If you need to establish power in a remote area, Polar Power can help you establish those capabilities. They also have solutions for hybrid energy and telecommunications and rapid charging EVs. Now, the one reason why I like Polar Power is one of the reasons why I like a lot of these sort of business-to-business industries is that in the year 2021, you can have a lot of businesses that are going to engage in capital improvements that they weren't able to establish in 2020 because of the pandemic. And because of that, a company like Polar Power is going to do really well. The company says, look, we didn't establish our cell towers out here because we wanted to wait until the economy gets better. The economy should get better in the spring or summer, so a company like Polar Power should get a lot of business rolling in. So I would definitely look at taking advantage of these dip buying opportunities, because you're pretty much not going to see this when the economy really begins to take off. And I also think the stock market in general is going to do really well this year. You're not going to see a lot of these dip buying opportunities. You may see like 3 or 4 of these over the next 12 months. I could definitely see Polar Power here. Just pulling over the last 1 month chart, this was a sub $5 stock. As it pulls back, maybe it pulls back a little more, it keeps going. This could definitely be a stock that reaches $20 a share. Its market cap's at $151 million, so it's not a very large company. So it only takes a couple of major contracts from the military or from certain large businesses to really propel this stock higher. So if you're looking at a company that has some potential to possibly almost double over the next 12 months, definitely take a look at Polar Power. Again, it trades on the NASDAQ on the symbol POLA. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.